We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender, and it's all about the young police from Jamaica. Seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, I know most of you think that Jamaica is an ordinary place, but you're going to be shocked to learn some things today. Yeah man, your favorite Dan Zeeks, yeah man, own a funeral home. And this man tells you how the business model came about. Yeah man, remember say Dan kill others, Dan in for his business. Yeah, so I hope you're prepared because this is a man who's very, very close to Dan and Zeke Phipps, and this is a man who's from my community. Yeah, so this is a man who used to live in America. Some people didn't even know that Zeeks used to have people work in America and they have to hand over his pay, they pay it to him. And he will choose what to give them or else their family will get killed back in Jamaica. So you're gonna hear about that. So get ready to hear a compelling and eye-opening account from a man who grew up on Benbow Street in the heart of Jonestown, Kingston 12. Yeah, this community where I was born. So this man once shared a yard with one of my uncles, yes, and his life story is deeply intertwined with the gritty realities of Jamaica. Some things we deleted from the conversation just to protect certain people. Even you, yes, hey, look, sometime in life still, when you talk to some people and when them start tell you and call some name of some people, them know fear and them thing like you say. Yeah. So big up my cousin, big up Leo and them thing, you understand what I'm saying? And yeah, this is a man who know the people, them and them thing there. Yeah man, big up, Burke and and the other Eli and all the man there, and you understand, Mikey. So he will share with us a raw and unfiltered look into the Jamaican way of life, particularly the harsh truths about why some people, especially from our community of Jonestown, Kingston 12 and Concrete Jungle, find themselves drawn into a life of crime. So this is a man, who's from the belly of the beast, and I'll tell you how him end up a foreign, and I just saw it got him thing there, and why a way of life of crime is like, to them is normal. I'll tell you, it's a man who know me. So he'll open up about his regrets, how venturing into a criminal lifestyle was one of the biggest mistakes he has ever made. A decision that ultimately led to unimaginable pain. One of his most heartbreaking consequences of his choice was the tragic loss of his son, who was shot and killed on the streets of England. So this loss is a constant reminder of high price paid for the path he once walked. But his story doesn't end there. You will get an inside look at the life of one of Jamaica's most notorious figures, Donald Zeeks, the PMP LGBT plus criminal organization done. Yeah, man. Hey, me don't know how man respect all them man there. Cause me don't know, hey, boy, I'm gonna turn all bad man. Cause all them man they couldn't bow them a page me. Wish we all man could have bow them a page me. Have man thing in my mouth and I tell man say, oh, you must suck me thing. Not even woman could all do that to me. Them man are dirty man still doing it. But hey, them man are big in the PMP criminal organization. See them where. What you mean? Yeah, so you have probably heard of Zeeks as a powerful man, but you might not know how he came up with the idea to start a funeral home. Yes, done as a funeral home in Jamaica. Hey, imagine a man known for taking lives, now making a business out of laying people to rest. hey, that may I tell you how them criminals, them man are smart, you know, man. So Zeeks is a man who kill people, and now him have a business, you know. So after him killing him, have a business where lady to rest her. Boy, may I tell you, the man are dangerous, you know, man. So no wonder why I'm rich, you know. And for him, funeral business is the biggest in Jamaica, you know. So you'll hear how Zeeks established this funeral home, a venture known for hosting the most extravagant funerals in Jamaica. Yeah, man. It's a place where even top killers are buried with chariots and ceremonies that spare no expense. So the irony and the stark reality of it all will make you question everything you think you know about power, crime, and all these forces shape lives in our country. So this conversation will take you deep into Jamaica underbelly, offering a first-hand information that few have ever heard. It's a story of choices, consequences, and the complex reality of the life in Kingston 12. So prepare to be shocked, enlightened, and perhaps even changed by what you hear. Suppose you consider yourself a bad man, a killer, a don, or a drug dealer. In that case, you might want to think twice when you realize that one of Jamaica's most feared and notorious figure, Rear Admiral Donald Zeeks, a key figure in the PMP criminal organization, owns one of the country's largest and most lucrative funeral homes. This isn't just any business, you know. It's a chilling reminder of the inevitable fate that awaits those who live by the gun. So whether or not you want to believe in all of you use well love gun and them thing there, you understand? Yeah. So knowing that Zeeks, a man who has built his empire on violence and power, is one profiting from your death, should give even most ardent gunmen, dons, killers, and drug dealers a moment to pause. Zeeks thrive in a world where death is a part of business, and he master the art of turning it into profit. He doesn't just anticipate your demise, he count on it on many ways. So, hey, Zeeks, you know, Zeeks dangerous, you know. So Zeeks now gonna kill people, you know. He a plan for you dead to, you know, for make money off of you, you know. So them a man a smart criminal, you know, cause big business, you know. So Zeeks can't wait for you to meet your end. Yeah, man, Zeeks can't wait for your guarded departure, you know. Whether it's from a yell of bullets or any other violent means. You know why Zeeks don't want you dead from old age, cause he want free money. Because he know that sooner or later you will end up in his funeral home. And when you do, he'll be ready to bury you in the most elaborate and expensive fashion. A grim testimony to the life you chose. The irony is striking. The very man who may have influenced your path into the underworld is also the one who stands to gain from your downfall. Hey, a smart business by that, man. Yeah, man. Zeeks, encourage you them to go on criminal, and then when you're dead, I just bury you. So before you pick up that gun to make that next deal, consider who's waiting for you on the other side. Zeeks is not just a player in the game. He's the one that closes it. So, why I tell you, hey, I don't know how a man become criminal still doing it, but I just saw it go, you know. You understand? Yeah, so welcome to the Jamaica Young Police. Yeah, man, you know, over here, all of they tell you is the truth and nothing but the truth. You know, some people is gonna feel hurt, them feelings gonna hurt, but hey, We're not all about feelings, we're not all about facts, changing lives, mind, so that people, our people, when I say our people, I'm talking black people, black, white, Chinese, yellow, green, blue, I don't care what color he is, you understand? It's just all about changing, but people can think. Because you see, once you can think, my greatest power that's because you control the power of your mind. So today, prepare yourself to delve into an intense and gripping conversation with a man who has lived a life full of complexities and dangerous turns. Yes, this man hails from Jonestown, Kingston 12. This is a man who knows me personally. Yes, and it's rugged reality. Yes. His journey took a dark turn when he found himself in prison in England, accused of 2 murders. Yet, after serving 23 years, he was acquitted of 1 charge. As the court ruled, it was self-defense. So he was arrested, charged with 2 murders, and he was acquitted of 1. Yeah, the court said it was self-defense, and he beat it. But this is just the beginning of his story. This man shared a close bond with Little Andy. Yeah, man, Little Andy in England, a figure whose life was brutally cut short by Livewire, the notorious club owner Ricardo Thompson, also known as Bully in England. So their relationship was profound, and the loss left a lasting impact on him. So as you listen, you will be privy to intimate and never before heard revelation about dancehall. Yeah, we usually always say dancehall because she is a dancehall. Dancehall artist Grace Hamilton, famously known as Spice, and Adidja. Yeah, Adidja, Vybz Kartel Palmer, during his brief stint in England. So this is a man who knows Vybz Kartel and Spice. So these insights will illuminate their lives in a way the public has never imagined. But that's not all. You will discover the deep-seated hatred this man harbors for Moses Beaniman Davis, a hatred that burns passionately and has roots in experience and betrayal that you will soon understand. He will reveal his relationship with Christopher Dudoscoke. Yeah, you know, Christopher Dudoscoke is the Dan from Tivoli Gardens who's in prison in New Jersey. And he will reveal his relationship with him, a name that resonates with power and fear across Jamaica. The conversation will uncover who he holds responsible for the psychological destruction of many, including himself. So this is a man who's from the community of Jonestown. This is a man who knows me. Yeah, you understand? We grew up together, he knows me, and you understand what I'm saying? So this conversation is layered with intricate details and complexity, complex emotions, and it's offers a rare glimpse into a world filled with loyalty, betrayal, and harsh reality of life on the edge. So get ready to hear the truths that will challenge your perceptions and leave you questioning whether you thought you knew about these figures and the lives they live. So this conversation is more than just a recount of events. It's a deep dive into a man's psyche shaped by violence, betrayal, and the harsh realities of life in Jamaica and England. His stories intertwine with the lives of well-known figures, revealing a side of them that the public rarely sees. You'll be confronted with the raw emotions and complex relationships defining his existence. As you listen, this is not just about hearing a story, it's about understanding the forces that drives people to the edge. You have to understand on the impact of those forces on their lives and the lives of others. The intricacies and complexities of this conversation will stay with you, leaving you with a deeper understanding of the world these individuals navigate. And we can tell you, you're going to hear, it's not everyone who get themselves involved in drugs or crime and all of these things is something that they had planned. So you're going to listen and you're going to hear, yes, you're going to hear your favorite Donald Zeeks Phipps own a funeral home, and this man will tell you, he will tell you how the business model came about Yeah, so you're going to hear even that. You understand? It's something that's really riveting. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. So moving on. Where some man, what go on, man?
Yeah, go on.
You tell me, me there, I take it easy, man. But just I get the time.
What are you hear me?
Yes, sir, man.
Let me show you something.
Yeah.
And nothing want to talk to you, because you hear me, only thing where you talk about don't really make no sense, where concerning little Andy and Ugly Some and
Ugly Some, okay.
Lucky British.
Yeah.
See? And Paul and the whole of them, one and the whole of them.
Yeah.
A Black Roses, I man come from, You know, say, originally, a slinger used to run Black Roses, right? That's a one brother.
Yeah.
We're dead.
Slingers, yeah.
Over.
Slingers, yeah.
See? You see, from them 10 of your police,
yeah.
me and you, me used to cross road, because Bembo Street, me used to live in.
Oh, you used to live at Bembo Street?
A Bembo Street, me come from. Over Price Street, and Love Street, me used to them most of the time.
Oh, okay.
See? Me and you have to go reason, because I hear me say to you now, enough to where people are saying don't really make no sense presiding to blood and all upon something we're going on foreign.
Yeah.
You see? Because you have to understand, Lucky no come from our place, no. Lucky come from Spanish Town.
We know that. We know so Lucky come from Spanish Town.
Lucky brother and me was good friend at a Bangy.
Yeah, so you're Bangy and a good friend again?
Well, you know, Bangy's son, Jordan, I'm a godson. You understand me, Adele? But Bangy get 10 years in prison and then when him come out now, I look at some incident take place. Me and Black Man, the man from all party. I've tell you already. I go through a situation where me and Andy is span.
Which Black man?
Same Black man from up, sir. See? Black man where they in jail now.
We are the tall black brother?
Yeah, from over the next side there. Up a Spanish Town there.
You talk the dread.
Andre, me talking now.
Yeah, man, the dread. Enough people don't know say much dread. You know that?
No, but you know have to tell me, you hear me?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Bangy them used to run up there now. From way back in the days.
Bangy used to run Jones Avenue?
No, but Bangy them don't really come from Jones Avenue. Bangy them come from the train line up on the other side,
Oh, okay. The labor right side?
Well, I wouldn't say Bangy labor right, Because back in the days.
I never say my labor. I said the labor right side.
Yeah. You see back in the days? Yeah. Back in the days.
Yeah.
None of them really used to run it, The man used to run it. Them man they kind of gone long time still, you see me?
Yeah.
But only if you talk about, you hear me?
Yeah.
Pertaining to British Link and them something there. British Link was our thing, I mean, Andy start that.
Oh, little Andy?
I mean, little Andy spar. I'm a brethren. Andy dead. I threw Andy me end up in a prison now.
What, little Andy dead?
Andy dead long time. Andy dead 97.
Oh, that's wait. No, wait, hold on. Like, that's the brother what them call Rat?
No, that's the Vincent Rat in farmer, man. I fool at me. I eat that.
You know, in my original little Andy, man?
Nah, man. Vincent Rat. Vincent Rat originally was Vincent Rat about security firm called Rat Security.
Yeah, and them call him okay, so who them call Little Andy? So Little Andy used to power
Little Andy, no. I'm me and Little Andy. Alright, I was me, Little Andy. You call Aston Gardner, Jimmy, and Fingers. And we used to control Brixton.
Yeah.
Goldfinger, where you see they were playing music. You see?
Yeah.
Brother was a police officer in Brixton. We called him brother Ice-T.
So he was a police in born in England and anything there?
No, he come from Jamaica. That's a Goldfinger. Chris Goldfinger, the selector boy.
Yeah, man.
We won a song called Asher World. His brother was a police officer in a Brixton police station.
Yeah, so what to him?
Him still did about them thing. Alright, let me show you something. You have a thing called Operation Trident.
Yeah, I remember it. That's how when them use mash up a whole heap of Jamaican.
Alright. And me and Andy and Austin Gardner make that something to start. Originally, that operation that was called Deli Farm. It run by a person named Mr. PC Jones, yes?
Yeah.
That thing that started because me and Andy and Austin end up go to a place called Granville Arcade in a Brixton and lick down a you called Fisher. See? Charles Fisher, his name is a J.
What do you mean lick him down? Kill him?
See? No, we just go in and shop, go do a little thing and take some things and really right. You understand? Back in them days there.
No, I don't understand.
We just go, alright, we'll go hold up the shop. We'll go hold up the shop there and take with some money, but him end up get shot 9 foot.
Oh, okay.
See, and whole part different thing happen, and then the operation then started when them call Operation Trident. Because originally it wasn't Trident, it was called Deli Farm. We started in a one place called Croydon. See?
Yeah.
Me I take it back way back in the early 90s. Let's say 89, them time they're coming up, you know. Them time the ranking dread about. See? Are you named Sonny? Where is the bodyguard Bob Marley? See? Joe Dark.
Oh, you're talking crackhead now.
Yeah, but he was crackhead back then too. Like a Peter Dark brother.
Yeah, man, from Jonestown.
Yeah. Because them man used to live in my place still. Because you know them too, because your brother. Alright, let me tell you something. And we was the Black Crosses of England. But it wasn't Black Crosses, it was called Big Ballers. That's our thing. See? And we bring Bogle over. Because Bogle was our brethren. We was our brethren. See? But me and Slingers grew up together because Slingers originally Slingers come from Jonestown, you know. And you know that too, because that's where you come from.
Yeah, man.
See? Like me say, a lot of people are talking about some things and they don't really understand. You see the whole thing we're going to England and we started. You have a you called Ethan Green, they call him Leon.
Oh, that's an informer.
Come now, one of the biggest informer foreign.
One to him.
He might kill and play with it.
One to him. We know so that deport him. He come from Waterhouse. One to him.
Deport what? The man there Holland.
In that Holland?
The man have new identity. Yeah, I have a new identity and I them stuff there.
Okay, I'm saying some more man a prison and thing.
Then I work for them in a dog. I saw the thing working. The man that work straight for Scotland Yard. See? All part history, you know, where people understand. Because if you understand, you know, Ranking Dread, that's a Boyack. See?
Ranking Dread.
And Rima.
Yeah.
Ranking Dread from Rima. Remember what Boyack?
Yeah, man.
Them say them kill him a prisoner or whatever, I don't know where them kill him. See? And him come over, and you can Barry Percy from Jordan, where he used to work for Jim Brown. See? Come over now and start the bullshit. But back them time there, me and Andy, because Andy's a youth born in England, but people them come from Jamaica and people them come from Jamaica. See? So the thing was this. Vincent Rat is a man when I like nobody from Jamaica. Because at them time, yeah man, Vincent, yo, let me tell you something. Rat one dangerous. See? Rat one dangerous. When I say dangerous boy, I'm not just dangerous on the street. Rat a big informer.
Yeah man, everybody know that.
If everybody we are talking about foul all of them, foul informer too.
Oh, it's a foul informer.
I mean, dog, you hear me? I tell you about people where me know.
So you know say man.
You understand me not talk? I know something. Let me tell you something. Ask anybody who come from England who live a place called Willesden. See?
Yeah.
Who for lock up? See? If you know what the money we talk about, the whole of my informer, me I tell you no.
That's why
lucky, me can't say lucky.
That's why I ask you.
You can't say lucky informer.
You can't say lucky
informer. Because you give me like, no, man, lucky an informer. Lucky a good boy. But you see the thing with lucky now? Lucky show off. That's a pain problem. See?
Yeah.
Lucky a good youth. But lucky show off.
So that's why.
And yesterday, lucky I come to England now. Lucky I come to England from back in the 80s in the dog.
But lucky not live in England, man. You're not British citizen.
Yes, but what me I say, back then people don't really understand. Lucky not just come to England back there recent. Lucky I come from England way from like 85, 86, around them time there, cause them time there. Same bigger brother named Tony, which a bangy brother. And them man they used to say Tony, Styler, thing. Cause remember Spanish Town, the fraction, a mile of them used to run Spanish Town back in the days. Before ball with them, you know. See? You remember Milo?
Yeah, man. My Bruce Golden boy, man.
Alright then. Before the whole of the PMP thing go on, yeah? At them man they used to run the place back in them days there. From Big Lane to Little Lane to all them place there. See?
And them time they never have no extortion, nobody now rape, nobody now rob, nobody.
No, but no. You can't do them something. Them time nobody can do them something. Rape and rob who? I extort to you crazy? Them man they defend them something there. Them man they defend truth and righteousness.
Yeah.
See, brother, let me tell you something where I go with Jamaica. Jamaica has become a paradise of murder and thief and robber and all type of stuff. Brother, 23 years I spent in prison and that.
And you're still, you know, you're a big man now. You're how much now?
I'm 49.
Yeah, okay, so I'm old I am.
But
yeah, so you got prison.
Yeah,
man. At what age you go to prison?
I go to prison, I'm 20. I go to prison what? I end up at prison what? 2000. See, them time the Andy dead. Because when Andy dead, you know, we try to schedule back the thing. See? Because, as I said to you, British link up was our thing. Our thing named British. If you go to Britain right now, go to any place in Croydon. From Croydon to South Norwood, from Norwood to Streatham. You ask any girl where come from back in the days, not 80s, back in the 90s, them tell you, say, yo, British link, we are the real British link up. You have a girl named Jackie British, see? Where you still a mother named Julie, where you still there Willie, see?
Which Willie? Willie Allen?
Willie, I got man.
Oh, okay.
See? Willie baby mother, my baby mother, you know. Willie have baby mother England named Merva, you know. She have youth for me too. See? Willie baby mother.
She have a youth for you too?
Him next baby mother right now with that England. That's my wife. Willie last daughter, Chin. See? Chin sister, my wife.
So you not get deported?
How many get deported for?
Yeah. Then you not go to prison for 23 years?
Nah, man. Hear me, I say to you, man. If me go to England,
yeah.
Me go to England to go to school.
Me know about that, but me ask you, how you not get deported and you go to prison for 23 years?
Because back in the days, if you go to England under control of your mother, see, you get a permanent stay. You can't get that now.
Yes, but a permanent stay, but people with permanent stay, they must have rifle all of them and them still deport them.
No. For all of them have permanent stay. I have a permanent stay, right? Because I go to school in England.
So what rifle have? What did have then? Why
rifle them? No. I bandole it they have.
No, man. But him married man.
You hear me now? Me I talk about married to my girl there. One name the Paul brother, Paul sister, one name the girl who used to do Bounty Killer too. What her name again them? I forget her name. Me have to ask Kakali.
Who you at? Lena British?
Lena, yeah.
Fall never married to Lena British.
So for me don't know for married, you know.
So boy, you accept Fall did have illegal papers. I mean, I tell you, say they have in papers. Fall have in permanent stay.
Me don't know about that because
So
most of the people away.
That's why I ask you, oh, you not get deported. Because the only people when I get deported, because I have family, I have two cousins in England who are police, you know. One of them are detective and one of them are traffic police, work on the motorway.
Which police station are they?
I say them are England, them are British police. I not tell you which police station.
Let me ask it to you.
One of them are detective and one of them are traffic. One of them are detective and one of them are traffic police. The one that are traffic police in work on the motorway.
Alright. Yeah, man, on the highway, on the M1 or whatever.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man.
But
So that's why I tell you. That's why I ask you, oh, you not get deported and you say you're permanent, not stop your
brother. I'm married, you know.
It don't really matter. Them rifle no matter to
Nah, man, Porter, listen to me, man. Let me show you something.
Listen to me. Rifle married to a woman born in England, and she was at his funeral. So you don't know. So alright.
I don't know about she. Me honest with you.
No, me not talk about alright. So you don't know Cool Breeze. You know Cool Breeze?
If you know Cool Breeze?
Yeah.
Me, that's a foul nephew. My nephew. Cool Breeze a big man, you know.
Me ask if you know Cool Breeze, yes or no?
Me know Cool Breeze from Jamaica. Me don't know Cool Breeze from England.
Which part of Jamaica you come from?
Yeah, hear me? The Cool Breeze of me a thing about, you know. I can't remember the man come from.
Yes, that's why I ask if you know him.
Me don't really know. Me know Indian. Where in power. Me don't know Cool Breeze.
Okay, you know the Indian youth were in power with them name he might only man who hold with a gun and him got the departure lounge.
Me know Indian man. Me know them man. But as me I said to you, if you England star, a lot of people not understand.
No, so that's hold on, man. So that's why I ask you, oh, you know, them not deport you.
Because hear me.
Because you say people are informal on them things. So that's why you do 23 years of prison.
That's a lead. No.
Yeah.
Let me say something.
So as you know, hey, look, you see in this world, a data reign, you know. Yeah, data. When we say data, we are talking numbers. You know, so whether or not you want to believe it, some people them rather to, you know, them rather to learn from their own mistake. But those who respect data, you can't have no problem. That data, you know, better you will learn from other people's mistake than learn from yours. So we are thrilled to bring you the first part of an exciting new video series. So due to time constraints, we have broken down today's video into multiple segments to ensure that you get the most out of each part. So this is going to be a 4-part video. Yeah, it's going to be a 4-part. We know, we know I'll chuck out. But I mean, you know, our man do it still, you know. Oh, you a driver, I'll chuck. And you ask man for them password and them account for going to Patreon for watch a video. A $6.99 in a virgin, $6.99. You understand? Truck driver work like it all depends. A man work all $50 an hour and them thing there. You know, so you know when a man, boy, hey, I saw some man depraved, man. Yeah, come on, man. You're a big man, you know, man. You don't have to do that. Although the man, you know, man are out here, but sure, we don't want to do that and embarrass the eye and them thing there. But not do that, man. You understand? I beg no man want a password and them thing there. A $6.99 and them thing there. But we know Jamaican people still doing it. Well, some. But you understand? So big up our friend them in England and we are lead the charge and those in America. And Jamaica too. And then Canada. But we soon tell you about that. So if you're eager to watch the full video and gain access to exclusive content, we encourage you to subscribe and support us on Patreon. Yeah, man, click the link in the description box to join our Patreon squad. Please note that full video access is a privilege reserved for our Patreon members, as maintaining our site requires ongoing support, and we have to limit the free access due to the high volume of users. Yeah, so we have more free riders than than people who want to show them support to the channel. Yeah, man. You know, over 3,000 free riders and them thing there. Yeah, I watch video. And they must, you know, them join it. But hey, the people, them just know. Subscribe. Them subscribe, yeah, click the free thing and you understand. And you have more free user than paid user. We never say not like that yet. But a Jamaican we are dealing with still, you understand, are people from the Caribbean or even people who are not. But you know what, we are seeing people from various countries around the world who have, you know, subscribed to your page channel. We appreciate the support. So our heartfelt thank you to our Patreon members. So we want to express our deepest gratitude to our Patreon members. Your support is the backbone of the Jamaican Young Police Channel Squad, enabling us to continue producing the content you love. We are proud to say our squad include members from around the globe. England and number one still, England. The place where everybody say meanest people them in the world live. But we can't say that at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We have to tell us say none of them are meanest. Yeah. Then America, United States of America. And we have a few police, ex-police and them thing there, and the man them say the reason why we do the sport because what you are do, most men not do it, you know, so you understand that you talk up the thing, so we're glad for that, say. And you speak truth and no man can come and say a lie you tell. As you know, so what man them say, yeah. Yeah, and we put this to out. Any guy in a PMP criminal organization or Jamaica Labour Party, anything where we up here, you can come and challenge me on the Jamaica Young Police Channel. Now we take a call and make you go live too. Yeah, because we are not dummy over here. Yeah, so moving on. So yeah, so number 4, Canada. Number 5, New Zealand. Number 6, Cayman Islands. Number 7, Trinidad and Tobago. Number 8, Sweden. Number 9, Spain. Boy, may I tell you. Number 10, Germany. All Germany. Number 11, Nigeria. Number 12, South Africa. Number 13, Italy. You know, we give thanks to the people in Italy for, you know, show some love to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. You understand? Number 14, Russia. Boy, we give thanks to the Russian them too, you know. You understand? Yeah, number 14, the Russians, yes. Number 15, Mexico. Boy, we have Jamaican and Mexico too. Hey, everywhere we go, Jamaican there, you know, man. I tell you, you know. You understand? Yeah, number 16, Barbados. Barbados is not closer to Jamaica, but hey, apparently we have more Jamaican in other country. Number 17, Turks and Caicos Island. Yeah, big them up. And number 18, you want Antigua. Yeah, big up the Antiguan people. So when oh yes, yeah, we have 3 people from Uzbekistan. 3 people from Uzbekistan. Yeah, man, big up all of the people them in Uzbekistan, you know, for be a part of the Jamaica Young Police Channel. You know, you understand? So I just saw it go. You know, we give thanks, you know, for the people them from all of the countries them, you know, tune into the Jamaica Young Police Channel. So your contributions are vital and we cannot thank you enough for your ongoing support. The importance of your feedback, is invaluable. The Compass Guide guides us as we strive to create content that meets your needs and preferences. So we have heard your thoughts and about the length of our videos, and we are making changes to better suit your busy lives. We are committed to keeping our non-live videos under 40 minutes. So this will make our content more accessible and enjoyable, ensuring that you can easily engage with and appreciate what we produce. So some people say, why join our Patreon community? Joining our Patreon community isn't just about supporting us. It's about becoming a part of our dedicated group that enjoy exclusive content and special perks. So we are committed to offering significant value and exclusivity to our most loyal supporters. Each videos will now include a clear call to action, inviting more of you to join our Patreon family and take full advantage of everything we offer. Your role in our success, we take great pride in responding to your feedback and proactively implementing solutions that cater to your preferences. Your input is crucial to building a supportive community around our channel. It drives us to build and improve continuously as we are committed to using your feedback to guide our future content. Together we will continue to produce excellent work and deepen our connection with you. We appreciate your support, so thank you for being an integral part of our journey. Whether you are watching our video, giving thumbs ups, sharing, supporting us on Patreon, or providing valuable feedback, your contribution is deeply appreciated. Together, we will continue to grow, evolve, and achieve great things. So we look forward in doing so with you by our side. So this is the end of part 1 of a 4-part series. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.